Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 5 today, and the topic is the base year. So if you're just joining us, check out the description below for links to the previous videos in this series. The base year, what is it exactly? So it's the calendar year that begins January of your student's sophomore year, ending December of their junior year. So it is the calendar year that's 2 years before when they will actually start college. The base year for the 2025-2026 academic year is 2023. This is the time period that our seniors in high school are in right now. So why is this important? Well, if you were here for yesterday's episode, then you know that there was some income reduction strategies that were shared. However, if those income reduction strategies won't be reflected on the tax returns that the family filed for 2023, then the student will not be able to benefit from those changes because they won't show up on their first FAFSA. The good news is that the FAFSA has to be completed every year beginning senior year, and then every year after that, that the student has another year ahead of them for college. So there will still be time to implement strategies in future years, even if you missed this year. But let's take another look at how that works exactly. So the student is a senior in high school now or already in college. The tax year that will be represented on the FAFSA will be from the taxes filed in 2023, filed for the year 2023 in 2024. That information will be used for financial aid eligibility for the academic year/award year 2025. All right. So students who will be seniors in high school next year in 2025 or still in college, the tax information for what's filed next year will be based on what happens this year in 2024. And financial aid eligibility will be determined for the academic year 2026, right? And so on and so forth. So advanced planning is really critical in this process. So again, don't feel bad if you are just learning about these tips for the FAFSA and your student will be completing the FAFSA starting in December. You can catch up on the income reduction strategies in upcoming years. But this is why we love for our viewers to share this information with juniors, sophomores, freshmen, and even middle school students, because families can have the time to plan, to actually proactively influence their student aid index and increase their opportunities for financial aid eligibility. So thank you so much for joining us today. That concludes day 5. Don't forget to like, share, and invite others to this page and to this series. We'll see you tomorrow.